Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my night routine. Actually, it's mine and Milo's, my 7-month-old son's nighttime routine. We have recently really established this amazing nighttime routine that I can count on every night, and it's really nice to be back in a routine. So I just thought I would share it with you and also just document this phase in my life because it's so sweet. The products we use, the order we do things in, and just an overall look into our nightly routine. So I hope you enjoy. So first up is dinner, and even since filming this, a lot has changed. We are much more in a, well, he feeds himself mixed with, we do feed him purees, but this night he had some carrot puree, which is his absolute favorite. Such a mess. I'll link everything down below. We had this delish salad with the new delicious croutons from Trader Joe's, and I also made this leftover meatloaf pasta. You just ground up Ludo wanted some. You ground up the leftover meatloaf and add it with some tomato sauce and pasta, and it was really, really good. So we all had dinner. Then we cleaned Milo up a bit, but not a ton because he's about to get in the bath. But first we have some playtime. We also, since this video has been filmed, he can crawl now. I turn on the Hatch sound machine on our first setting, which is just a little like lullaby to get him relaxed. Then we read him a book. This is the frickin' I've Loved You for Forever or whatever it's called. It makes me sob. I can't even listen to it. It's just so beautiful. I'll link it down below. Ludo is, I don't know what he's doing. Our nighttime routine is kind of chaos, but it's incredible at the same time. So then it is bath time. My favorite bubble bath is the Alifia Coconut and Chamomile Kids bubble bath. It smells so good. We use the Oh Crap cradle cap thing on his head, along with this thing from Frida Baby that like scrubs away the dandruff, and this Honest body wash. We use the Angel Care tub, which we love, and he loves these Disney bath toys, which they're great because they don't have the holes in them, so they don't have, get mold inside over time. But then after bath time, we dry him off with the Burt's Bees baby towels, which I love. Again, I will link everything down below because I know I'm going kind of fast. But we put his diaper on him. I also just did a baby favorites video. I'll link that up in the corner if you want to see it. Tigger usually joins us out of the bath. And then I lotion him. I love the Burt's Bees Baby Nourishing Lotion. It smells really good. I like the ingredients, and it just really works for us. And I just, oh man, nothing better than lotioning up a baby, And he has really dry skin. He takes after his mother, so I gotta make sure I do this every single night. And then after the lotioning, I do take the Young Living Seedlings line baby oil, which basically just smells like lavender and chamomile and has all like the relaxing sleep oils in it, diluted. And I put that on his feet. I gave him a little feet rub, which is so cute, and a little bit on his chest. And whatever's left over, I put on my chest. Then we put him in his jammies. These are some tie-dye ones from Old Navy, which are so soft and so cute. And then I put some Burt's Bees Baby multi-purpose ointment on his dry spots on his face, which are usually in between his eyebrows and his cheeks. And he was tired, so he was fussing. We brush his beautiful hair. I'm sorry, Milo, I left this in, but it's just so cute. He's so sad. Then we switch the Hatch sound machine noise from the lullaby to just the rain noise. That's his favorite noise. It's what he sleeps to every night. Then I put him in his sleep sack. He has milk, and then I put him down to sleep, and he puts himself to bed, and it's incredible. I put him down sleepy, of course, but he's awake, and he's fully able to put himself to sleep now, which is amazing. And I spend all night missing him, honestly. So good night, buddy. I love you. Then I go downstairs, and usually one of us is doing dishes, the other's picking up. We like to try and pick up a little bit at the end of each night if we want to, if we're in the mood, just because it helps us feel better in the morning. But then I went upstairs to have a bath. I still try to take a bath like 2 nights a week, just because my body's in a lot of pain from having a baby and now carrying around a baby, and baths are just my happy place also. So I'm using this, I think it's called the Luxe Bath Bomb from Lush. It's $13, and I'll tell you, it's not worth it. The smell is incredible. That's why I bought it. And it's beautiful. It has this beautiful gold glitter in it, but it's so much money. The big eggplant was worth that much money, but not this one. But the smell is really, really nice, and I thought I'd show you a demo anyway. Then whilst in the bath, I wash my face with my simple moisturizing facial wash. This works whether I'm wearing makeup or not, gets everything off. I also like to pair it with my Foreo Luna. I think this is the 2. There's like 3 different versions. I got it for Christmas and I am loving it. It's really nice for like a nice deep clean. Then I slapped on the Lush Beauty Sleep Mask, which is a really nice, it smells incredible. It's purple. It has these like things in it that exfoliate when you wash it off. and I just love that. So I soaked in the tub for a little bit. Oh, and I also wanted to show you that on nights where I take a shower, everything is the same, except this is the shower gel I've been using. It's the Evening Peace from Young Living. It smells so good. So then when I get out, I'm going to brush my teeth, and then this is the most simple skincare I've ever shown on camera. It's really pared down, which I am starting to add more things back in just because I have more energy and I'm not as exhausted. But I'm taking a little bit of this Avalon Orange Vitamin C moisturizer, adding in a drop or two of frankincense, and I use that on other nights. Every other night I use my argan oil, but I switch back and forth. My skin loves the frankincense and it smells really nice and relaxing, and that's it, which is so pared down compared to what it used to be. And then this is the coziness of my bedroom. I've got the baby on the monitor, of course, and then we get in bed real early now, usually by 9. I like to be in bed by 9 so I can be sleepy by like 9:30 or 9:45. Here we're just giving the dog so much love, but he's comatose because he's so tired. It's so cute. I also thought I'd leave the audio in here in a second so you can hear how delirious and tired we are and laughing at the stupidest things because we're just fried by the end of the day. And we're torturing the poor dog.
Please, no.
Please, no photos.
I'm all good.
Poor dog.
Stretch it out.
He looks like a stuffed animal. Little move so the people know you're real.
He's yawning, he's so tired. Just get those fingers in there.
It literally looks like he's not alive.
He's a stuffed dog now.
Ludo. Hey. Psst.
Maybe if you guys would stop messing with me.
His tongue came out. He's snoring.
Let's get that tongue back out.
We need to go to bed. We're delirious.
Give me that tongue. Please help me.
This has been going for over 3 minutes. Okay, good night. It's like a what about Bob situation.
Good night, guys.
No, not what about Bob.
What about Bob? Weekend at Bernie?
Yeah. He literally moved him from there to there and he didn't do anything. There we go. Good night, kisses. And then he eventually makes his way under the bed, which he likes to sleep for the first part of the night, and then usually around 1 or 2 a.m. he joins us in the bed. So that's Ludo's nighttime routine. But yeah, guys, that is it. We usually watch a Disney movie or just Modern Family or something easygoing to unwind. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will have everything I mentioned linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this peek into our night routine, and stay tuned for a morning routine because we actually do now have a morning routine, so that is coming. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this and want to see more, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye, guys.